Tagalog, I'm going to list their name. With English, they are happy when I'm not around. And also, I want to thank Mom Kat and all the admin. My best friends, Judge Wells, thank you so much for the friendship, for the support and advice. I hope you don't change after this. To Tropang Bebe and also the DP Hayakay. And also Papa Dom who always take us picture. I want to share the little memories I will never forget. When my first time to take the examination, because I am stress-free, I didn't know that you can take the examination if you are not wearing your complete uniform. I'm in a hurry that time because I'm late already. And then the lady guard not allow me to go inside. I feel